Great rise. Yeah, man. Good morning, good evening. Yeah, man. Depending on the time, where you are, or whichever country you are in. Welcome to Herbal Laws. Yeah, man. Welcome to the Herbal Laws channel here on YouTube. And on the Herbal Laws channel, we grow fruits and vegetables, but most of all, we love herbs to tea. And in today's episode, yeah, man, I want to show you a part of I and I lifestyle. And in today's video, I am going to make plantain porridge. Yeah, man, plantain porridge in a Jamaica is nice. Yeah, so whenever people make porridge around the world, they use milk and those things. Yeah, but in today's episode, I am going to use, our Jamaican coconut. Yeah, to make the porridge. Yeah, so we are going to blend the coconut into a milk farm, yeah, to add to our porridge. Yeah, man. Water, irie. Yeah. So I'm going to break 2 coconut. I will not use all of this, but yeah. Always break them and put them down. This one not taste so 100. Yeah. But that's it. Forward with that. So welcome to the kitchen. Yeah, man, this is the plantain to make the plantain porridge. Yes, yeah. And I'm gonna use some cinnamon leaf. Yeah, to spice up the pot. This is the coconut. Yeah. So we're gonna get everything together to make the plantain porridge. Yeah. I revive, man. I revive. So first I'm washing my cinnamon leaf. Yeah, to add to my boiling water. Yeah. It's a vibe. Yeah, man. So I add my cinnamon leaf to my water. Yeah. And then now I'm gonna prepare my coconut. So I'm breaking up the coconut. Yeah. Breaking up the coconut to remove the flesh from the ox or the shell. Yeah. Removing the inner part from the outer part of the coconut. Yeah. So this is how I remove the inner part from the outer part of the coconut. I use a knife, yeah, and I place it at the edge, yeah, and I gently remove it. You have to be careful, because if you don't be careful, the knife can cut you. Yeah, man, so you have to do it poorly, yeah, man, slowly, yeah, and try and be safe, because safety is the key, you don't want to cut yourself. Yeah. So all of these things teach you balance, it teach you how to be focused, because doing this you have to keep a balance and a focus. Yeah, man, in all things you do, yeah, man, keep a balance, keep a focus. Yeah, man. So that's it. Removing all from the outer ox of the coconut. Yeah? Yeah, man. I revive. Yeah, man. So now I'm washing my coconut. Yeah? And I'm also going to, remove the plantain from the plantain skin. So when you mark it like this, yeah, this is the best way to remove it, and it is best removed when the plantain is also fit. Yeah, fit. And to make plantain porridge, it is best to use the green plantain, so it remove easy like that. So this is how we do it. Cut the top, then mark it, yeah, and then cut the bottom, and then simply remove it from remove the skin from the plantain. Yeah, man. I revive. Yeah, so these things you grow, you learn. Yeah, you're never too big for learn, you're never too small for learn. Yeah, man. So now I'm cleaning my blender cup. Yeah, which I'll cut up my plantain. Yeah, to blend. Yeah. Yeah, man, I revive, man. So add some water to it. Yeah, and after adding the water, then now, yeah, I'll blend up my plantain. Yeah, so plug in the blender. Yeah. This one is called a magic bowl. And I revive, so I clean as I go. Yeah. So looking if my water is boiling up. Yeah. Adding my first set of plantain to the water. Yeah, man. And I will blend up the other plantain. Yeah. So stay tuned and watch what I go on. Yeah, man. Pull it. Yeah, man. Watch your vibe. Yeah, man. This is Herbal Laws Garden. I am showing you a part of Herbal Law lifestyle, because Herbal Laws is lifestyle and also gardening is lifestyle. So now I'm going to add my coconut to my blended cup. Yeah, so because I just blend the plantain in it. Yeah, I don't bother wash it out because everything is going into one pot. Yeah, and it is becoming one. Yeah, so I just cut up my coconut in the same cup. You know, just add some water with it, rinse it round. Yeah, man, and cut up my coconut in it. Yeah, so this coconut now is going to give the porridge body. Some people like to use them condensed milk or whatever milk. Yeah, I don't take milk, you know, because I believe that leave that one there alone. But my system doesn't function with the milk them, so that's why we keep it Irish. Sometimes we use the almond milk, but trust me, my system more function with, yeah, the natural things then. So that's why we try and keep it ital. I revive. Revive. Yeah, man. I revive. Yeah, so we are mix it up to get a consistency. I remember we are in the plant already, you know. So we are mix it to get a consistency. We don't want it to have a lot of lump in it. So now I wash my strainer. Yeah. Wash out my container. Yeah. Everything they clean already, you know, but once it put down for a while, you have to wash it and clean it, because what them say, cleansing next is next to godliness, and you want to ensure that the things you are using is clean, so that you won't, yeah, you won't get any food poisoning or, you know, any insect can crawl on these things, and then all of them things go down in your system. So you have to try and be as clean as possible. Yeah, man, and that's just a part of us. It's just a part of us. So adding in the coconut juice, it's white and pretty and pure. Yes, man. Make it look irie already. And then we mix through the cream of the coconut tonight. Yeah, if we get that consistency and get that irie vibe there. Irie vibe. Let's take a bit of bumps on the blend. Yeah, and then we strain it again. Yeah, man, so we not to dilute it out because we want the thing to be rich, irie, and have a irie vibe. Yeah, man, I wish I could have, share this with all who are watching. So this right here is called nutmeg. Nutmeg. That's Nutmeg. Yeah, man, and this is an essential and necessary spice in the porridge. So now me a grate my nutmeg in the porridge. Cause this is a great spice, and it is not just being great, but it's a healthy spice. Yeah, man, it is a healthy spice. Help to remove inflammation from the body. Yeah, man. I revive. Yeah, the smell of the nutmeg. Yeah, and the taste of the nutmeg must be, you must smell it and taste it and feel it in the porridge. Yeah, man. Yeah, so with all these spices, the cinnamon leaf, the nutmeg, yeah, the coconut juice, yeah, man, it give the porridge I revive. So now, yeah, man, I have to have a big bowl out of this one. Very big bowl out of this. So now me I share my own. I wish we could have shared it with you all who are watch this, but trust me, it's a irie vibe. I'm going to tell you the honest truth. How it feels, how it tastes. Yeah, herbal laws, irie vibe. Irie vibe. Yeah, man. Porridge irie, you know? Yeah, so this plantain porridge, it's coconut, yeah, cinnamon, nutmeg, yeah, man, and the plantain. Yeah, so I juice the coconut, yeah. So first, I put on my water. When my water start boil, I add in my cinnamon leaf. Yeah, so it's cinnamon leaf, yeah. Add a little salt if you take salt. Yeah. And then I blend up my plantain. Yeah. Back in the days when you never have blender, you'd use a grater. Yeah? And the grater can get the same consistency. The difference with the blender is that the blender purify it or blend it out more. So when boil, the consistency is more pure, you know. Yeah, the coconut milk also give it body. Yeah, blending the plantain also give the porridge body. And as I said, you can use whatever milk you want to use, but I do it this way, ital. I could also use almond milk, but today is the ital way. Yeah, man. So, thank you for staying tuned. And if you look about plantain porridge, you can tell me how you look about it. You can share your way of doing it. But this is my way of doing it. Right? Yes, I. Yeah, man. So, I hope you had enjoyed this episode of me making plantain porridge. Yeah. And as I said, the things I use is coconut. So that's dry coconut. Yeah. And it's blended. You know, if you don't have a blender, you can grate it. Yeah, it can get the same consistency. Yeah, so my spice is cinnamon leaf. Yeah, nutmeg. Yeah, and that's it. Ital, just like that. You know, the coconut juice give it body. The plantain also give it body. Yeah, man. So, herbal laws, you know, is a lifestyle. Gardening is a lifestyle. Yeah, man. So if you like this content, share it with somebody else. Yeah, man. And help the Herbal Laws channel to reach more people around the world. Yeah, man. Herbal Laws out here, watering the plants as usual. Yeah, man. Have a great weekend. Blessings. Or a happy first day of the week. Blessings.